The app I'm going to introduce is EasyCall, which is used to make VoIP calls. This requires the network to exchange voice data with the SIP server. After the call is connected, user may need to use their phone for other tasks. During this time, the EasyCall app may be put in the background. To prevent the app from being killed or losing network access, we require the foreground service phone call permission. For example, let's make a call. Open the app. When the call begins, we start the SIP foreground service. Once the call is connected, even if we put the EasyCall in the background and open the other ToDo app to do some job, the call will continue uninterrupted. Therefore, applying for the foreground service phone call permission is necessary. When the call ends, we terminate the SIP foreground service.